Let's say to the what's be guys. So today we have a route this morning. And then this afternoon we have a route too. So we are going to work. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work. Hey guys, so right now you guys are heading in place. We are just unpacking some stuff. So that's what's going on, you guys. We have good trees at the new place. Filled up the car, you guys. Yes, we filled up the car. We have this food. And then we have some of this. Blueberry crumble. We have some soup. So this is enjoying his meal. Right? Do you enjoy it? Like it, Grace? Okay, today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. Also, I took my shirt off at bedtime, and Grace was telling me you have grass. I'm like, no, I don't have hair. And she said, no, you have grass. It was the cutest thing ever, you guys. So yeah. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.